Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This will get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news that is surprisingly positive today, even though there are likely large influences on New Zealand from events halfway around the world. There are some locally too. Later this morning, the third quarter 2024 labour market report will be released and we will have full coverage. But before that, we've had another dairy auction, and this one will have analysts reaching for their pencils. It was a good one, with overall prices rising 4.8% in US dollar terms, up 6.2% in New Zealand dollar terms. That takes them to their best level since late 2022. And the gains were widespread, led by butter's 8.3% jump. Demand out of China is the extra push this market got, and it could well bring upside to farm gate payout forecasts. In the background, animal health concerns in both the US and the EU and weak domestic raw milk prices in China are driving lower production expectations globally, just when New Zealand's production is in an expansion state. But the economic good news didn't stop there. The US Red Book tracking of retail sales delivered a 6% rise last week from the same week a year ago. That was its best since mid-2022. And the American Logistics Report for October revealed a small rise from a strong September, taking this index to its best expansion since September 2022. Growth is increasing at an increasing rate in all the right metrics there. And the ISM Services PMI for October was sharply positive as well, a sharp turnaround that was driven by strong new order growth. Not to be outdone, the Canadian Services PMI turned up sharply as well, also driven by new order growth. In China, the October Caixin Services PMI largely mirrored the official version, but recording a better expansion than the official version. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now just on 4.34% and up 4 basis points from this time yesterday. And the price of gold will start today at $2,738 an ounce and up $5 from yesterday. And oil prices are up $1 at $72.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now at $76 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 60 US cents, up another 20 basis points from this time yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're down 30 basis points at 90.5 Australian cents. Against the euro, up 10 basis points at 55 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 68.7 and a little change from yesterday at this time. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.